This video shows how to adjust the BIOS and password settings using the Dipswitches on a witness server sled from a PowerEdge XR4000 series system. Before making changes to the Dipswitch settings, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To adjust the Dipswitch settings, use a plastic scribe. To clear the NVRAM at boot, move switch 1 to the on position and reboot. Move the switch back to the off position to retain the BIOS configuration settings at boot. To clear the BIOS password, move switch 2 to the on position and reboot. Move the switch back to the off position to re-enable the BIOS password feature. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.